Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you? Fine.
Yeah, fine, thank you.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Today, please take your notebook. Today we are going to study. It's very easy letter. Okay. Please wait. Take your notebook. Take your notebook itself. Take your notebook. Already we learned Vyanjanakshar ka, gha, ga, ka. Next one, nga, nga. Last letter, nga. Ka se kamal, kargosh. Next one, gamla, ghar. Next, last one, nga. Which letter? Nga. Very easy letter, nga. Okay, so take your notebook. Take your notebook. Write first. After that, you write. Don't write now. Don't write now. Take your notebook. Write today's date, 11/8. Write today's date, 11/8. Okay.
11.
Where is your friends? Not seeing.
Yeah.
I will share board. So.
11. 11.
Wait, write today's date. Only write today's date.
One minute, ma'am.
Right? 1 minute, ma'am. Okay, 1 minute. 11/8. Okay. Well, last letter, kai, khangal, our last letter, we are going to write. Right? Look here. What happened? Write only date, today's date. Only date. Don't write letter. Write only today's letter. Okay. How to write nga? Listen here. One straight line. One straight line. Only this small line. From there, take like yes. Here one dot. Okay. Once more I will write. Don't write. Don't. Look here. One straight line. From there, one letter yes. Okay. That is no. Where is he now? Yes. Here one dot. No. One letter yes. Now, please take your notebook. Write with me. It's very easy letter. Write with me. I will write. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. What happened?
No need of writing in the textbook first.
No. This very easy letter. That's why. Okay.
Okay.
So today I am giving other work also. So we didn't get the time. Maybe. Okay.
Okay.
Very easy letter, no? Whose mother that? Whose mother?
Abel's. Able. See.
Able. See, usually we are writing in the textbook. It's very difficult letter, no? First we will write in that textbook. They will get practice, join the dots. Other all letters, no problem. Okay. Okay. Easy letter, direct, we can write in our notebook itself. But who is calling ma'am?
Able Anthony.
Able, what happened?
Bot. Bot.
What?
Bot.
Abel Anthony, what happened?
Board no see.
Board. I will share. Okay. Yes. Listen. Next, right? First straight letter. Yes. No. Yes. No. First take small. After that, like one. Yes. No. It's very easy, no? No. Yes. Yes. No. Mm. No. Yes. Very easy.
Writing notebook.
Write in your notebook. Please write in your notebook. It's very easy letter now. Yes or no? Yes. It's very easy. Yes. Yeah. No. Yes. No. Write in your notebook. Please write. Aman Babu, what happened? Aman. No word, no word. No, this letter not we are using in the words. Okay. When you are studying words, you will understand. That time I will explain about this. Okay. No. Now you write only study. No. Okay. No. Yes. No. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
I am not finished.
Elvin, ma'am.
Not finished.
Yes. No, no problem. Right. When you are writing, say the letter nga. Yes. Nga.
Ma'am,
Huh?
my finish.
Finish, no?
My finish.
Finish. If you finish now, take a new page, write today's date,
Now finish.
write homework in the margin.
Now finish.
Ah,
No finish, ma'am.
no finish, no problem. Oof. Those who finish, no, take next page. This is homework. How much time?
Ma'am.
Write and study.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. What happened?
We want do 2 page.
What? Nga.
Please.
Nga, only 1 page enough. Nga,
Okay.
only 1 page enough. Okay. Nga, only 1 page enough. So, take next page and write today's date homework 10 times. So, don't write that homework now. Only 1 time, please write like this. Okay. Yes, when you are writing, say the letter, say the letter, say the letter. When you are writing, say the letter. When you are writing, say the letter. And write homework 10 times. Yes. Now finish? Now finish now? No, it's no problem. No. Now, some students over
Ma'am.
8 hours.
Ma'am.
Ah?
Board. Yes.
Finish. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish now, take, write home. Homework don't write now. Homework don't
Ma'am,
write.
finish. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, no finish.
No finish, wait there.
Ma'am, no homework.
No homework.
No.
Homework, I wrote on the board. Look there. Who is that?
Happiness.
Yes, yes. Wait there. Yes. Lekshana finish. A 5 letters.
No.
Okay, Bill Anthony finish.
Ma'am, no.
Nga. Writing nga. Yes.
Ma'am, finish. No finish.
Elvin, write fast. Don't say finish.
Ma'am, finish.
Sai Krishna, okay. Take next.
Ma'am, no finish.
Yes. Take next page. Right. Homework only 1 time enough. See, only 1 time enough. Only 1 time. Okay.
Ma'am, no homework.
Hmm?
No.
Yes. After the class, when you are getting free time, you complete this homework before next class. Okay. Don't write now homework. So, after this class, when you are getting free time, please complete.
And page number 90.
Page number 19.
Yes.
Page number 19. Huh? Who is that? Page number 19 saying? Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, finish.
Wait. Hello? Where is your video? Hello? Yes. Jeffreyon, both finish. Huh? Jeffreyon Chindo. Yes.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, my sister have class.
Huh?
My sister have class.
Who is that?
Hadia.
Hadia. Okay. Yes. Next one. Yes. Finish. Jeffreyon, where is your notebook, Jeffreyon? Okay, yes, very good. Elvin Mario, where is your notebook?
I am not finished.
Sarah Selfin, finish?
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Yes, wait.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Sarah,
Ma'am,
finish.
finish. Ma'am, finish.
Sarah Selfin, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay. They were okay. Don't write now your homework. Don't write now. If you finish now,
Yes. No.
I will take.
Finish.
If you finish, I will take one test, one class test. Now I will take. Right? Okay. I will give question. Are you seeing this board?
Yes. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
See, what is the question? Look at the picture and write the first letter. What is the question? Look at the picture and write the first letter. So, please write. Only you write in the notebook. Write the first letter. Today's date. Write the first letter. You write the first letter. Okay. After that, look at the picture. Look at the picture and write first letter. 1, 2, 3. First picture, rabbit, Second picture, what? House. Third picture, vase. Fourth picture, क्या है? 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Fourth picture, lotus picture. Okay. Don't look anywhere. Write sincerely. All are very good. So, write. Please write. If you want to write there, write the first letter. Okay. Give heading. Write the first letter. First letter. Write the first letter. Question 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First picture क्या है? Rabbit. Second picture क्या है? House. Third picture क्या है? Vase. Fourth picture क्या है? Lotus. Parents don't help. Let them do alone. Okay. Write first letter. A rabbit. What is the Hindi word rabbit? You think that word and write? Okay. Dance say gargosh. Dance say gargosh. Already we learned.
Gargosh.
And write. Yes. Which kha? Gargosh. Yes. Write alone. Again I am telling write alone. Yes. Whatever you are getting, only that letter you write. Which letter you are getting? Yes, I will check. Who is that? I saw one notebook. Please wait there. In the notebook, write in the margin today's date. Write today's date and write CT. CT meaning class test. Okay. Right? Class test. Okay. CT class test. Clear?
Which book?
In your notebook itself. In your notebook. In your notebook itself.
I'm finished.
Wait. Wait. After 5 minutes, I will write answer.
I'm finished.
Wait.
Ma'am, I will finish.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Right fast.
Ma'am,
What?
Ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, we should write the first letter. We should write in the notebook.
Yes. Write in the notebook. Write in your notebook. Give number 1, 2, 3, 4. Give correct number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I am seeing now some notebook. It's okay. Very.
I have doubt.
Okay. Yes, I am seeing some notebook. Yes, very good. First notebook, write in the margin today's date and class test also. See, please write class test. Class test. What is CT meaning? Class test. Okay. Write in your margin this. Today's date and class test. CT means class test. Yes, CT. CT meaning class test. Okay. Finish? Shall I write the answer? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Did you finish? No. No. Yes.
Finish. Ma'am, finish.
Wait.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
That.
Finish. Ma'am, finish.
Now, I will write answer. First one. What is that one answer?
Gargosh.
Gargosh. Second one. क्या है? Sir. First one. Kamal. So, if you read now, give tick mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, and write there. Where is that class test? उसके नीचे write 4 out of 4, and those who got you will get. Okay.
4 question അല്ലേ ഉണ്ടായുള്ളൂ.
4 out of 4. The margin where you wrote a class test, उसके नीचे लिखो 4 out of 4. Okay. Please write their class test. Please write their class test.
ഒരു മാർക്ക് വേറെ അല്ലേ?
Okay. I think almost all got 4 out of 4. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, Abel Anthony, yes, very good. I am seeing Lakshana, yes, very good. Yes. What about others? Ivania Rose, okay. Devar, okay. Sarah Selfin.
Yes, ma'am.
Johan Sijo, yes, very good. Esther Biju, good. Jeffreyon, very good. Good. Krishna, yes, good. Aman Babu, where is your notebook? Okay, yes. Yes, Alnarun, very good. Sai Krishna, good. Ananya, Avish Boban, yes.
And now finish. Fardeen,
not finished. Ayyo, Fardeen. Okay, write slowly, no problem, Fardeen. Friend, I am finished, Fardeen. Okay, next class test we can write. Fardeen, don't worry. Okay. Yes. Okay. A time over. So, say bye. Please. Do the homework. Please do homework.
I'm finished. Finished. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Finished. Bye. I'm finished.
Yes. Very good.
I'm finished.
Okay, good.
I'm finished.